Hi there, Spencer Kuiper here with Teacher Technology, and I wanted to give you a helpful update on how to translate materials over into another language. So as we make this shift to home learning, some of your students may need resources in another language. Luckily, Google allows that integration directly from Google Docs and various other apps. So right here, we have a sample document, and this is just something that I had in my Google Drive that I created. And now I want to show you kind of how to shift that over into another language. Google makes that super easy. So right up here, we're going to click Tools in our Google Docs. And then from there, we're going to scroll down until we see the option for Translate Document. I'm going to select Translate Document, and it's going to allow me to select the language that I would like to translate that document into. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose probably the most commonly used translation platform or language. That's going to be Spanish right here. And it's going to allow me to rename my document. Maybe I want to rename my document just a second copy, or just right here in Spanish. All right. So what that's going to do, that's going to make a duplicate document in my Google Drive. So now I'm going to have two documents. I'm going to have one in English, and then a second copy is then going to be generated into Spanish. So I'm going to click Translate. So Google Docs is going to do its thing. It's going to work to translate all that information over. And here we now have the same exact document that I had for the English version that I generate myself, now translated into Spanish for use with my students. So when you go to Google Classroom, you upload it the same way. So we go over to a classroom that you're going to own, go over to classwork. And when you create an assignment, you're simply going to click Add from Google Drive, and you're going to see the various options pop up. So you're going to then select your English copy, of course, and then do the same exact thing to your copy in Spanish. So this can be done through a number of different languages, depending on the number types of students that you have and the needs of your students. So when we go in and add that, you're just going to want to make sure that that is set to then be just viewable by students. So now you have a copy of your original document in English and then a copy in Spanish. So good luck making those accommodations for your students, and let us know if you need any additional support. Thanks.